Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. The word on the street is we're going to be getting a new Ryzen generation along with all new chipsets towards the middle of the year, if not sooner, which is why this latest motherboard from ASRock might surprise you. You might have seen all of their new Phantom Gaming products launching in the last 6 or so months, but Phantom Gaming isn't the only new series of products that they're releasing. We're back with a new Motherboard Monday, except it's Motherboard Monday on a Tuesday. In this outing, we're checking out the brand new ASRock B450M Steel Legend Micro ATX motherboard that supports first and second generation Ryzen CPUs. Let's check it out. Just before we start this video, I just want to make it clear that our Motherboard Mondays videos aren't really reviews, they're just overviews so you can get an idea of the feature set and what actually physically comes in the box when you buy a brand new motherboard. Let's do it. Alright, it's Motherboard Mondays on a Tuesday with the B450M Steel Legend from ASRock. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. We have an installing memory modules on AM4 boards. I guess this makes sense since AMD boards are usually more sensitive to different types of memory. What have we got here? The software setup guide that tells you how to set up the software, I'm guessing. I'm not sure what software it's in reference to. There's two M.2 screws because the board actually supports two M.2 drives as well. What else have we got in here? We have, see, this is a bit of a mystery box. Oh, here we go. This circular plastic disc with all of the drivers on it to make your board work. I have a suggestion for ASRock here. I saw Gigabyte do it, actually putting these on a USB stick. That'd be a lot nicer. Alright, what else have we got? Oh, we've got a postcard. If you want me to send you this postcard in the mail, drop a comment down below, and the first person to do it, I guess I'll send this postcard to. Alright, what else have we got in here? I think that's it. This is the manual. This is one of the thickest manuals I've ever seen. It's the thickness of a paperback book. It is seriously on another level for manuals, and actually this is a good thing because having thick manuals is nice. Here is that new digital camo looking IO shield. It is gorgeous. I cannot wait to build with this motherboard. Everything about it just looks really, really cool. I love digital camo. What can I say? Alright, next up we've got the SATA cables. This is for plugging in your hard drives into your motherboard. It's got 2 of them included so you can connect 2 hard drives up, but obviously the board will support more drives than that. We're about to get into that, so just hang on a minute. Last but not least, the pizza of resistance, the B450M Steel Legend. This is a micro ATX size motherboard, so this is designed for smaller form factor, but not like totally small form factor systems. And let's take a closer look. First off, we've got the front panel audio connector. Next up is an addressable RGB header. Yes, it has addressable RGB, and an analog RGB header. You have 2 USB 2.0 headers, so you can connect up things like AAOs or front panel USB. 2 PWM fan connectors so you can connect your fan straight into your motherboard, and last but not least, the front panel connectors for the switches and the lights and all of the things on the front of your system. Next up is 4 SATA connectors so you can connect up to 4 SATA hard disks, a USB 3.0 header, and a 24-pin power connector so you can power your motherboard. There's another analog RGB connector so you can connect the lighting from your cooler. This is actually in a really good position, and 2 more PWM fan connectors, one for a pump and the other for a CPU fan. You could see the improvements over the B450M Pro 4 with a massive VRM heatsink. This is a lot bigger than it was on the previous generation B450M Pro 4, and an 8-pin EPS CPU power connector. Like I mentioned, the board supports 2 M.2 drives. The Ultra M.2 is only NVMe, and the other supports NVMe and SATA M.2 drives. It's got 2x16 size PCIe slots, however the top one is 16 times and the lower one is 4 times. This board also supports Crossfire, however, I feel that it might be a little bit tight if you try with this board. It supports dual channel DDR4 RAM modules, it supports 4 modules in total with a maximum overclock of 35-33 MHz. It's got a standard AM4 socket which supports first generation and second generation Ryzen, including every single Ryzen CPU and AM4 CPU you could possibly imagine. It also includes standard cooler mounting for every AM4 socket and will support most AM4 coolers on the market, if not all of them. Alright, let's take a look at what's on the rear I/O. First up, you've got two USB 2.0 ports and a PS2 port. You've got DisplayPort and HDMI, four USB 3.0 ports. You've got Gigabit Ethernet, a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A port and a Type C port, and 7.1 audio with optical output as well. You're getting a lot of I/O on a really affordable board. Let's take a cinematic look. My first impressions of this board are all pretty positive. It seems as though they took the formula from the ASRock B450M Pro 4, they improved on the VRM cooling, and they gave it a brand new look. Seriously. How cool does that new digital camo look? I'm really digging this new design. We've got a full build with this board coming in the next week or so make sure you're tuned with all those notifications turned on and make sure you're subscribed and do all that stuff because we're going to try and do something really special. The ASRock B450M Steel Legend is going for around $100 US on Amazon right now. There is a link down below as usual if you want to grab yourself one. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do and tell us what you hated about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And seriously, digital camo, I love it. It looks really cool. I cannot wait to build with this motherboard. I'm so keen.